Are you having difficulties closing the doors of your side-by-side refrigerator? Here are a few things you can do on your own to solve this problem. First, check whether some food package could be blocking the door from closing. If this is the case, just rearrange the food items so the door can close all the way. An incorrectly installed shelf or storage compartment can also obstruct the door from closing. Place all incorrectly installed parts back into their correct position. Also, check whether there might be any foreign substance on the rubber gasket. Foreign substance left on the rubber gasket can hinder the seal's ability to stick to the refrigerator. Just clean all foreign material off the rubber gasket with a warm wet towel. The door should close properly. However, if the rubber gasket itself is damaged, please contact LG Electronics Customer Information Center for further assistance. The refrigerator should be tilted slightly towards the back, so the doors close easily. If your refrigerator is tilted forward, the doors may tend to reopen or feel extra heavy. If this is the case, raise both leveling legs equally at the front. If you are not sure on how to execute, check out our How to Level the Refrigerator video. If you are still having difficulties closing a door, check the alignment of the door. Check whether there might be a height difference between the two doors. Aligning the door involves setting the adjustment nut at the bottom of either door. If you are not sure on how to execute, check out our How to Align the Refrigerator Doors video. And lastly, the doors may have been removed during installation, but not reinstalled properly. In this case, you will need to remove and reinstall the doors once again. If you reinstall the door on your own, you bear the risk of damage to the appliance or self-injury. We strongly recommend that you call an authorized LG service center to reinstall the doors. If you wish to proceed on your own, please be cautious. And refer to our How to Remove and Assemble the Refrigerator Doors video. If you have any further questions, or need further assistance, please contact the LG Electronics Customer Information Center. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.